This question here is a very common question that comes from Brazilian engineers. It could come from other Colombian. Actually there is one similar question from a Colombian engineer. I'll read out the Colombian first. My experience in Colombia as an engineer has been in the area of quality control, and I have also worked as a university teacher. Can I use this experience as career episodes? And the other question similar to this is, I'm a civil engineer and worked implementing quality systems in a building company. Can I use this experience as a career episode? That's what I say that is a bit subjective. You would think that you could be using, let's say that you're civil engineer and then or mechanical engineer and you worked in a company to implement quality control or implementing quality system, and you were employed as an engineer to do that. But when it comes to Australia, it's more likely that those experiences, they don't match the ANZ SEO occupation definition. If you have implemented a quality system and then you try to validate your qualifications as a civil engineer, it may not work.